Meme review. Okay, guys. Hello. It's me, your boy, Jordan. Uploading onto Noxious channel. Little backstory. I asked my... I know that, but chill. Alright, Maria, chill. Yeah, Maria's in the room. Yeah, okay. So I thought that it would be a great idea to commentate on her doing her makeup. Because I asked her, because I thought it would be very funny. Because I watched... Was it Noxious's voice actor commentating on... What? Yeah, that one. Kelly Eden? Kelly Eden. Yeah, please watch Kelly Eden. And was it Noxious or Prompto? Oh, it was both of them, actually. Anyway, so... I'm wondering... It's a very small screen I'm watching off, so it's going to be very hard to see. But what are you applying to your face? Is it... I was going to say conditioner. Oh, my God. You use one of the pink things that I have. What is it called? Foundation! That's it. You're using foundation. You put that all over your face. Just smother that shit in. Make yourself look like you're from... What's the modeling? Vogue. There we go. You're from fucking Vogue. Wait, what? Contact lenses. Did they? But it's the same recording. You're lying to me. Oh, it's fine then. Wait, you're putting more foundation on. How much foundation do you have to use? You don't have disgusting skin. Okay. So, you were applying more foundation. How much foundation? I haven't... when was the last time I got my makeup done? It was like... I think I've had my makeup done 4 times in my life, and 2 of them I've just been a Frankenstein's monster creation, because people have just been decided, oh, you know what? Let's just buy a shit ton of makeup and make him look like let's make him look like a fucking monster. Oh, I just hurt my elbow. Anyway, let's go on to the next video. Alright, yeah, here's the next video. We had a little complication. Some of the clips were mixed up, but we're back in action. It's fine. You guys won't know that, but that's in post. Haha, dab. Alright, so here you're doing your eyebrows, right? Haha, we get to see your fake eyebrows. Okay, we get it, I'm bold. You're not bold. We can see you have a hair cap. Bazinga. I hope someone makes an eyebrow hair cap now. Just, I want them to make an eyebrow hair cap. We're just gonna... Alright, so, intense eyebrow making session. How long does it normally take for you to do your eyebrows? Oh. This isn't 30 seconds. This is a minute. How dare you? Oh, rush them. I thought you said you brush them. I'm like, brushing your eyebrows? What you want about, mate? Oh, come on, pull up a chair. Oh, there's no chair. Okay. Well. Oh, looking beautiful. Oh, wait. You skipped the other eyebrow. It needs to be in order. There has to be order in my life. Looking dead inside. Oh, the little smile. Alright. Here's where you do your makeup, and there's a funny moment where you drop the makeup. Because I previewed it ahead. I'm just examining the background because is that Tokyo Ghoul? What was the poster on the right, left? Wait, it was another the one that's facing that way. Sorry, they don't know, but there was another poster on that wall. Anyway, fuck it. What are you doing now? What kind of makeup is this? Let me guess. It is eyeshadow. Oh, I'm so good at makeup. I can be a makeup artist. Alright. What? They can't see anything. At least I could be cool in my mind. Because, you know, only cool people wear glasses in the darkness. Anyway, you're putting on more foundation. Wait, when did you put foundation on the left eye? Oh my god, I've missed. Oh. I meant fucking eyeshadow. It's fine. What color of eyeshadow is it? Is it pink? Oh, do you put pink on the top and white on the bottom? Wow. Very interesting. Is one of the eyebrows smudged? Oh, it must be just a small camera then that I'm looking on. Is that a mirror in front of you? Oh, that's pretty epic. Oh, I see now. That is pretty cool. Yeah, I just saw that. Oh, fuck. Oh, that hurts. Oh, wait. Please. This is a funny moment. Funny, epic moment. Oh, no, it's not. I realised,
by the way, that one of my eyebrows is, like, stupidly uneven. But it's fine, because the wig will cover it. This is for you, Jordan. Don't, like...
Yeah, it is.
Don't get this in the public.
Thanks, Pat Maria.
My eyebrows are stupidly uneven. Speaking of which, I forgot to put the lid back on. There's a lash that is trying to fly off my face.
Oh, here we go. Oh, please don't tell me the clips are fucked again. We're having these clips in out of order now. This is second take. This is too many takes for me. What are you putting on your eyes? Are you putting more stuff on your eyes? What's an eyelash? But they always never do. Yeah, you do. Oh. Oh, I think the clips might be screwed. But it's fine. You know what? It's fine. This is watching makeup time. Makeup funny time. It's a makeup tutorial that is... You have to... It's wibbly wobbly timey wimey stuff. Disconjoined. There we go. No, I love Doctor Who.
You've been watching it so much on my Netflix that my Netflix nearly kicked me off Netflix because there was too many people watching.
I love Doctor Who.
Oh, what am I doing now?
I think your phone vibrated. I heard a preep preep. Oh, hello. Oh, is this because you only have one eyelash? Yeah, it is. Oh my god, you have so many posters.
Oh, now I'm doing eyeliner.
There we go. Here's the eyeliner clip.
Yay!
There we go. Right, just everyone watching. Just imagine that this clip is before the last one. That way it'll make more sense and everything can just be as normal as possible. I wonder I can put some royalty-free ukulele music in the background. Oh, like they use... That they put on the... What is it? The Kickstarter videos. Oh my god, I'm gonna put the Kickstarter ukulele music in the background. You're doing eyeliner. Am I correct? What does eyeliner do? Holy shit, you know a lot about makeup. Really, mate? Is that rose gold your mirror thing? Or is it just pinky gold? You know, the thing that you're looking into. But what colour is it in the background? Aha, it was rose gold! I win! Where's my prize? Oh, fuck, the glasses are stuck to my head. I know, I never get any prizes. That sounds gay. Prizes are for the gays. And nobody likes gays. Hey everyone, does anyone like the AWOO banners that took me 5 minutes to do? I put loads of effort and hard work in it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and it's like you have to remind me. Don't worry, I'm gonna get to it. God. Oh, yes, you are using the makeup palette for a painting. Do you think you could make a painting with the makeups? Oh my god. What are you doing? You are adding... Oh, you're adding stuff underneath your eye. Oh, what's that called?
Shadow? I don't know.
Under eye eyeshadow.
But for the under eye?
Oh, that was a meaty cough right there. Here we see Maria in her natural habitat. There we go, the makeup falls.
Keep dropping it. I decided to mix that with it. Because it wasn't, like, dark enough.
I don't, you're just mumbling. You're just like, it's falling. I just, just carries on doing makeup. I love this. Is that what kind of pillow do you have in the back? Is that a pillow? Is it a body pillow? Do you want a body pillow? Is it weird if I get a body pillow? I have a naked body pillow. Oh my god. Is it weird if I have a body pillow? No! Oh no! It's fine. One of the clips is a little bit out of order, but it's fine. Oh, it's near the end. It's fine. It's completely fine. I'm just gonna get a blip of nothingness. But not on their ends. Their ends. Yeah, you are saying something. I don't know what you just said, but it's fine. It was probably... That's really white. Oh. Well, I mean, because it's... Oh, look at you using fancy words. Right, so oxidizes.
Here's a fancy lesson in makeup, right?
Yeah.
So if you get like a foundation, throughout the day oxidizes and turns a bit darker.
Yeah.
So if you get a really light foundation,
yeah,
it'll oxidize and like throughout the day go a little bit darker.
I actually didn't. Yeah, I didn't know that makeup did that. That's weird. Anyway. Oh my god, you're wearing the blue and white knee socks. Oh, hell yeah. I can't wait till we get to the end. You are doing... What kind of makeup is that? What the fuck makeup is that? What do you put on your nose? Oh no, this is a guessing game for me. How are you rubbing it in? Nose makeup.
Right, but what does this nose makeup do?
It softens the nose.
Right, it's called nose contour.
Nose contour?
You know contour?
What's contour?
It basically makes your cheeks look more chiseled and like your cheeks look more chiseled and like your nose look more smaller.
Oh, okay. How does it make it look smaller?
If ever it's a trick to the eye,
Oh, okay.
it just works, so that's all it
Is that what you're putting on your... Oh, I see now. This is epic. Yes, rose gold, we see now. Oh, it's a mirror.
It's a mirror and it's
Yes!
my highlight. Why am I telling you this?
I don't know. Go away. No, come back. Actually, hold on. No, don't hide in the wardrobe. You definitely don't want to go in the wardrobe. That place is just filled with crap.
Anyways.
Oh, actually, you would be fitting in there. Oh, I'm sorry. That was a mean joke. I'm very sorry. No, no, this can't be true. I did not hit her. I did not. You. What makeup is that? Is that just? Is that why you have sparkles on you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where the sparkles come from. Yeah. Oh, do you not just like put glitter and stuff on it? Yeah, I think you just put hair on you and you were like, now this is no, eyebrow, no, eyelash,
Lipstick.
oh, it's lipstick. What? That's lipstick. What? Oh, it's a sexy deep red. I like that the makeup thing is brown and silver.
Oh yeah.
Does it smell like chocolate? I like makeup.
Okay, this is when I'm trying to find lipstick.
You're trying to find lipstick. There we go. Wait, did you actually give up? Yeah, you did. You're like, oh fuck it. There we go, looking spicy. Now here's the finished product.
Yes, queen.
What? This is great. I'm clapping out of excitement. Then you get the little, what's the teddy? Monaco. I was gonna say Monica. Just Monica.
Just Monica. Just Monica.
I was gonna say just
I'm
Monica.
Monica later this year.
Oh, sticking out the tongue, being saucy. This is funny. Hides in wardrobe. Oh, checking out the beautiful fringe, I think it is. Oh, and that's it. Oh, it looks like we're in the credits sequence, which is not added on our screens, but will be on yours. Thanks for tuning in. This has been a mess of a video, but I enjoyed watching these clips because it was very funny. Welcome to the high quality makeup tutorials by Maria and Co. By Co I mean nobody else because I don't do makeup. Oh, it's The Walking Dead. Da 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 da.